everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hold a trombone properly. This will be an easy beginner tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you want to play the trombone properly, you need to hold it properly as well. Sorry about that. Something's caught in my throat, and I just finished dinner not that long ago. I need a big glass of water, but we're going to finish this video anyways, and then I will have my glass of water. So I apologize in advance if I have to clear my throat a few times to get that thing out of there. Anyways, are there trombonists, so are there people who play the trombone, I'm not even sure if that's the correct word, that play well and don't hold it properly? Of course. Holding it is something that's subjective, but I'm going to show you the sort of like the typical way to hold it and the way that I do recommend to hold it. Now, essentially, I don't have my mouthpiece on this, but it is already assembled. Now, if you take a look over here, there's going to be a brace where the bell tube is. So here's the bell tube, okay, where the bell is. There's a brace right here. So the bell is facing away from you, as you can see. You're going to put your thumb around that brace right there. So your thumb's going to go around that brace over there, okay? And what we're going to bring our fingers through, so our fingers are not on the outside, they're going to be on the inside over here, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to reach over here, and on the other tube over here, there's going to be a brace right here on the slider portion. We're going to take our lower three fingers, so our middle finger, our ring finger, and our pinky finger, we're going to place them around that brace right there. So as you can see, they're placed around that vertical brace, and then our index finger goes here, basically where the mouthpiece connects. Okay, I'm going to get my mouthpiece, I'm going to place it in there now, and you can see with the mouthpiece in there that the index finger is there. And basically this controls your trombone. This controls the actual instrument as a whole, just like that, literally. Now you can adjust your fingers. These three fingers can go slightly lower. Some people hold them like that up here. It really depends on the length of your fingers. If you're tall and you have longer fingers, then you have more freedom. I have to hold mine like this because I'm, average height, so I don't have that finger length to give me the benefit of moving them around. I have to hold it like this, basically, okay? Now, essentially, your right hand is left to move the slider. Here's a slider bar, and you can move it like that. Now, you can hold it however you want to, but typically, you use like a few fingers, okay? I always hold mine like this, with my thumb on the back of the slider, and my two fingers on the front like that, but some people hold it like this, like this. That's really personal preference. All that it's doing is sliding in and out like that, okay? And you want to place the weight of the instrument, which they're not heavy to begin with, but you want to place the weight on your left shoulder. The weight is going to go on your left shoulder, okay? And then you're able to adjust this if you need to. If it's too tight to adjust this, then you can just loosen the thread over here, okay? You can loosen the thread over here, and it becomes much easier to adjust it. If it's, if you've tightened this too much over here, this piece over here too much, then it's going to almost locked in place. You want it to be loose so you can sort of adjust it how you need to, and then if you know you're going to keep it like that, then at that point you can tighten it. It's up to you. But then you're ready to play. Basically, you can just go ahead and you can play whatever notes you want to play. Not too shabby for a little beginner over here. But that's essentially it. That is how to hold your trombone properly. I've gone over everything from where to place your fingers, where to place your hands, where to place the instrument on your shoulder, your body positioning, the mouthpiece positioning, sort of everything that I can explain. That is essentially how to hold the trombone properly. And that's basically it. I've shown you how to hold a trombone properly, and it's an easy beginner tutorial because, whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, you can still use this tutorial, but obviously the majority of the people that are watching this are likely going to be beginners or people who want to teach beginners because they can learn from this as well to guide their instruction of their own, for their own musical teaching. So that is essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.